Pandas, read_CSV how to force bool data to type bool instead of object. I'm reading in a large flat file which has timestamped data with multiple columns. Data has a Boolean column which can be true/false or can have no entry, which evaluates to nan. When reading the CSV, the bool column gets typecast as object, which prevents saving the data in HIF store because of serialization error. Example data. I use the following command to read. One solution is to specify the type while reading in the CSV, but I was hoping for a more succinct solution like convert_objects, where I can specify parse_numeric or parse_dates.
You can use type. It accepts a dictionary for mapping columns.
As you had a missing value in your CSV, the dtype of the columns is shown to be object as you have mixed dtypes. The first 3 row values are Boolean, the last will be a float. To convert the nan value, use fillNar. It accepts a dict to map desired fill values with columns and produce a homogeneous dtype.
From this very similar question, I would suggest using converters quark. As per your comment stating that nan value should be replaced by false. Converters keyword argument can take a dictionary with keys being column names and values being functions to apply.
I was på kjell, I consider watching and